My name is Tatsuki Ato, and I was a regular office worker in Tokyo. My dad was living alone after my mom passed, but he ended up following her to the afterlife at the beginning of April, when it was cherry blossom season. I even suggested we live together, but he refused to give up his pride. He just told me to focus on my own worries. I didn't even know he had a terminal diagnosis. Just the thought of him living alone filled me with so much regret, and I couldn't let our family home suffer the same fate. Thank you. And I moved back to the place I hadn't lived in since high school. Brings back memories. I remember playing in that garden with my friends.
The falling cherry blossom petals look like snowflakes. Tatsu, let's climb one of those trees together. Don't, the petals will all fall down. Ah, big sis.
I wonder where those two are now. Staring out the window, I became lost in my thoughts of the past. I never thought I'd end up reminiscing about those days in my wildest dreams. I think this is turning out really well. Huh? What was that? I must be hearing things. Alright, finally time to eat. Huh? Is there a stray cat on the walls or something? I was always kind of a coward. First time I lived alone, I couldn't sleep from all the things that go bump in the night. I heard just one noise, so now I'm noticing every little creak. I try to calm myself down. Hello? Sakai?
Tatsuki? It's been ages. What's up?
So, I just moved, but...
Are you afraid of ghosts again?
Huh? How did you know? A few days after I moved, I contacted Sakai, my old buddy from college, who had a sixth sense when it came to the supernatural. Did you sense it? Was there a ghostly presence seeping through the phone line?
Yes!
It wouldn't happen to be an elderly gentleman, would it?
Oh, you have an idea of who it might be?
I don't know if I'd say that, but my dad passed away 2 months ago, and now I'm living in his old house. I'm worried he has some lingering regrets that's keeping him from peacefully moving on.
No, I don't think it's him.
Really? You're sure?
Yep, the spirit I hear around you is a bitter young woman's voice, so don't worry.
How can I not?
Never mind that. I want to come and visit you sometime, so make sure you light an incense stick on your father's altar for me, okay?
Oh, sure.
And also, I told you this before, but you don't have any ghost sensing power. You can't see them anyway, so don't worry about any noises, okay?
Sure. Why does he always have to joke at the worst times? I guess we'll talk about it next time. What does he mean I don't have ghost sensing power? I know what Sakai said, but once I started to notice these things, it was hard to just ignore it. Every little creak I heard scared me, and I was starting to feel gloomy every time I had to go back to the house. One night, I was coming home late as always. Huh? And I swore I could hear a child crying from somewhere. A child out at this time of night? And it sounds really close. Could it actually be a real ghost? But Sakai said it was a bitter young woman, right? Could she have a child ghost with her? I hurried back toward my house, but the crying got louder as I approached. Huh? In front of the entrance, there was a little girl being clutched by a shivering woman. Her mother? Ghost!
Please help us.
No! They're alive! Are you alright?
Help us?
Calm down! For now, just come inside. You can explain whenever you're ready.
I'm scared.
There's nothing to worry about anymore. I'll protect you. I was terrified too, but I mustered up all my strength to act strong for this poor little kid. I'm not lying when I say that my heart was beating so fast I thought I was going to jump out of my mouth. But what shocked me more than anything else was what I saw when the two of them came out from the bathroom. Huh? Kana?
Hey, Tatsu. It's been a while, huh?
And the woman staring at me in the face was none other than my old friend, Kana Hashimoto. The last I ever saw the girl I used to play with in the backyard of this very house was in high school. What? You decided not to go to college?
Yeah, I have to get a job right away.
Is everything okay?
It's fine, but I can't really talk about it.
Okay.
Good luck, Tatsu.
Thanks. See you around, yeah? I never actually saw her again after that. She suddenly moved away, but my parents talked to her parents when they moved back to their hometown. All they heard from them were rumors that she became pregnant and disappeared from the family.
Look, Mommy! These clothes are so baggy! Yeah, it's like a princess's gown.
I guess they were true.
Thank you, Tatsu.
No problem. I'm 24 now, so if she was born around when we graduated, she must be about 6 years old.
I'm Runa.
Huh? Oh, Runa, you said?
Yep, I'm in the gifted class at school.
Wow, look at you. You're Kana's kid, alright.
Right. She's cute and smart, just like me. Mommy, is the ghost gone? Yeah, it's all better now.
Huh? You heard it too?
What?
It turned out she was living in the apartment behind my house and she was worried about the noises too. And judging by the way she described it, it sounded like the spiritual phenomenon were even stronger where she was living. Wow.
The noises were so bad today that Runa got really scared. She ran out and ended up in front of your house.
So you knew I moved here?
Yeah, I saw you from afar a few days ago, but I didn't want to surprise you after not seeing you for so long.
What are you talking about? Especially when we're both struggling with the same thing.
But you've always been afraid of ghosts ever since we were kids, right?
I guess so. But friends help each other out, right? Even if it's saving each other from spirits.
Aw, Tatsu.
Kana, I promise it's gonna be okay from now on.
Yeah. Then, can I sleep with you tonight?
What?
I was really worried about the ghost yesterday too, so I wasn't able to get a good night's rest. Runa's already out too, so can we stay the night here?
Of course I don't mind, but there's other rooms.
Please, I really just want to feel safe.
I understand where she's coming from. But even if we're friends, isn't it a little weird for us to be sleeping in the same room? She's already asleep too. I guess she doesn't think of me like that at all. It's hard to imagine the little rascal I remember hanging out with as a kid grew up into such a beautiful woman, and a parent at that. The next day was Saturday, so Kana and I both had the day off. While the two of us watched Runa play in the park, I sat down with Kana and discussed what she planned to do about the ghost situation. There's no open rooms in your apartment complex, right?
Nope. It may be haunted, but that didn't seem to stop people from moving in. There was this rumor going around that someone who used to live there...
Ah!
Oh, yeah, sorry. I know I should probably just move, but I'm already struggling enough as it is raising a child of my own. I don't really have parents I can rely on either.
Okay. Then would you like to stay at my place until you save up enough to find somewhere new?
What?
I've got a spare room, and Runa can keep going to the same school and everything.
Is that really okay?
I don't need a whole house like this to myself. And besides, I want to help you.
Tatsu, I don't know how to thank you.
And suddenly, the number of occupants jumped from 1 to 3.
Morning, Tatsu!
Morning. You're getting ready all by yourself, huh? Your mom must be proud of you.
Can I get a piggyback ride as a reward?
Alright, I'll carry you to the bathroom. See you later.
Have a good day. Bye-bye. Come back home soon.
I'll try. I'm home.
Hey, how was work?
Same old. Is Runa asleep already?
Yeah, but she wanted me to give you this letter.
She did?
Thank you for working hard. Do you want dinner or a bath first?
Thank you. But I can handle it myself from here.
You sure? Then I think I'll head to bed. Good night.
Good night. You sounded like a newlywed back there. God, I was probably blushing so much. Life with the two of them went surprisingly better than I thought it would. One day...
Hey, Tatsu. Can I tell you a secret?
Oh, what is it?
Mommy said she's in love with you.
What?
Hey, Runa!
Really?
Wait right there, you...
There's a reason my heart skipped a beat from the words of a little girl. I mean, Kana's... She was my first crush. Hey, about that thing earlier.
What thing?
About liking me.
Oh, that. She just meant as a friend, you know?
Yeah, of course. There's no way she'd ever actually fall in love with me. What?
You almost look disappointed.
Well, maybe a little bit. But I'm just happy enough knowing that you chose to rely on me over all your other friends.
Well, I did have a crush on you.
You did? When?
Back when we were in high school. And way before that, too.
Seriously? You too?
What? You mean you felt the same way?
You were the first person I ever fell in love with.
And you never told me? If you had...
What?
I thought I made it clear, though.
Kana. Whoa, what was that?
No way, the ghost?
You go inside and stay with Runa. I'll look around outside.
Okay.
I knew I had to protect the two of them no matter what. A fraidy cat like me never would have been able to go out like this on my own before. The two of them gave me the strength to act. You're...
Dad?
That's right. The one who showed up in front of my house this time was none other than Kana's father. He'd be Runa's grandpa too. But apparently the two of them had never even met. At some point, he disowned Kana, and they never spoke again after that.
I'm so sorry for everything.
Isn't it a bit too late for apologies now? You didn't even show up at my sister's funeral, for heaven's sake!
What? The truth was, Runa was actually the daughter of Kana's sister. She had her when she was in college. But her partner left her to fend for herself, and her parents disowned her in shame. That's why Kana decided she'd do whatever she could to help after she graduated high school. And when illness took her sister from the world too soon, she ended up raising Runa as her own child. Her dad was interested in knowing how his daughter and grandchild were doing. And when he heard a rumor that they moved back to our hometown, he came to check on them.
Wait, so you mean to tell me that all those strange noises we've been hearing was actually you the entire time?
That's right.
Yeah. The cause of all the problems that have been haunting Kana and Runa was none other than Kana's father.
Ugh, I can't believe this.
Well, he says he's been visiting your sister's grave every day.
Too little, too late!
Kana.
Back in high school, I had decided everything. When I graduated, I was supposed to ask you out. I was supposed to go to college and live a normal life for myself. But I knew I had to help my sister.
You made an incredible sacrifice. You're amazing, Kana.
Tatsuki.
That night, Kana clung to me in tears.
So, there's really no ghost?
Nope, it was all Grandpa's fault.
Ah,
Hey, you two. Did you finish all your packing?
Yep.
Ready to go then?
goodbye, old house.
Don't worry, they're just gonna make it new again. A few years later, the three of us decided to temporarily move into Kana's old apartment. Our plan was to renovate my aging family home into something that the three of us could live in more easily.
It's gonna be something to look forward to, Runa.
Yeah, you said you were looking forward to it too, right, Mom?
Huh?
At this point, Runa was able to understand that Kana wasn't actually her mother. She even had pictures of her biological mother decorating her room. And she said that she appeared in her dreams sometimes. As for me,
Are you okay living in such a small apartment?
I'm fine anywhere as long as the three of us can be together.
Me too.
I restarted the love for my first crush that I had to give up so long ago. I hope the three of us can take the next step and become an official family someday.
Hello! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you all next time. Bye-bye!